my name's Terry Dowdeswell. I'm the founder of Dowdeswell's Delphiniums, which happened around 1985. I did this because at the time I was looking for a really good cut flower delphinium and I needed to grow it from seed. The fact is, there weren't any available. I could get seed, but it didn't have the flower that I wanted. I could get the flower that I wanted, but it couldn't be grown from seed. So that's why Dowdeswell's Delphiniums happened. My aim was to combine the attributes that the delphiniums you could grow from seed at that time with the wonderful, beautiful form and shape and colour of English hybrid delphiniums, which were grown from cuttings. So I obtained seed from England, amateur growers in England. I got as much delphinium seed as I could from all around the world and started playing with it. The idea was to produce something that would be great as a cut flower, great as a plant in the garden, and absolutely knock people's socks off. I'm pleased that I had these aims because we did actually absolutely knock people's socks off at the Ellerslie Flower Show in 1995 with some fantastic garden plants, and that's what made us go into breeding more garden plants and saying, hey, what can we actually get out of this? What we got out of it was beautiful tall delphiniums in a variety of really strong colours, and this is what the market really loved. And from there we went into producing different types which were good for cut flowers, really short, colourful delphiniums that could be seen in flower in a nursery, bought in a pot, taken home and grown beautifully in your garden. So I was busy growing and breeding delphiniums, and quite frankly getting older, there came a time when I had to basically get out of this, find somebody who could take over the business with enthusiasm and some more young vigour. So looked around, was very lucky, found Katrina. She's got enormous enthusiasm. She has taken on this job wonderfully and absolutely knows what she's doing, and I'm really excited about the future she's got for this business.
Hi, I'm Katrina. I'm the new owner of Dowdeswell's Delphiniums. I'm very excited to carry on the fabulous work that Terry's been doing with these amazing flowers. I come from a gardening background. My granddad was a breeder of thornless rambler roses, and my mum was an enthusiastic gardener for all of her life. And as a gardener, I understand that we don't all get to spend lots of time in the garden. We need plants that are strong, healthy, and hopefully long-lived. As a gardener, I also understand what it's like to walk through the garden and to have that aha moment where you go, oh my goodness, that is so fabulous, and I grew that. And that's what we're trying to do at Dowdeswell's Delphiniums. We're trying to create strong, healthy plants that are absolutely fabulous. Here at Dowdeswell's, we breed a diverse range of plants, from the garden plant that stands up well to wind and extreme climatic conditions, to the cut flower type that looks great for commercial cut flower growers, and to our mini delphiniums, which look fabulous in pots. These are all areas that we're exploring and breeding towards.
Our nursery is located on the edge of Wanganui, one of the earliest colonised cities in New Zealand, and which has a very temperate climate. Here our delphiniums are subject to strong winds and a changeable climate, hot and sometimes humid temperatures. In this climate, only the strongest plants survive, and those plants then go on to make up our breeding gene pool. Soil and climatic conditions influence the colours that the plants express. Dowdeswell's Delphiniums are known for their vibrancy of colours. We don't just produce vibrant coloured plants, we have some clearer, softer options. It's about clarity and diversity of colour range.
We like to think that we're innovative and forward focused. We've got some great strategic partners in the international plant world, and we've got the backing of our scientific community here in New Zealand. What's more, our customers love our plants. So if you're new to Delphiniums, why don't you check us out at delphinium.co.nz.